Hello, and welcome to Donut Investment. This analysis is for Vertex Pharmaceuticals on NASDAQ as of 23rd of July 2026 with a share price of $473. The full report is on donutchen.ca. A hold at $473.09. The shares are down 11% from their high, partly on the surprise $10 billion Crinetics deal. But at a now fair multiple, the medium and long calls are both buy, a quality franchise to accumulate as the deal digests. The core is genuinely rare. Vertex owns cystic fibrosis outright, a high-margin, cash-generative franchise with few credible challengers. That earns a quality score of 84. It is no longer a one-trick story either. Casgevy in sickle cell, the non-opioid pain drug Jernavx, and a kidney and type 1 diabetes pipeline all reduce the single franchise risk. The Crinetics deal adds a fourth leg, endocrinology, with Palsonify in acromegaly. The strategic logic, diversify beyond cystic fibrosis, is exactly what the long-term bull case has wanted. Nothing is free. Vertex paid an approximately 102% premium, its largest deal ever, funded by cash plus a $4.5 billion bridge loan. That spends the net cash fortress the old thesis leaned on. Post-close, the balance sheet is roughly neutral rather than a pile of spare cash. Vertex's strong free cash flow services the bridge quickly, so this is not distress, but the optionality it used to hold in reserve has been exercised at a full price, and the integration is unproven. That is a real, new risk, not a footnote. The 11% drop did move valuation from full to fair, about 24 times forward earnings for a franchise of this quality. That is why medium and long-term the call is buy. Accumulate as the deal digests. Short-term, though, it is a hold. The decline is partly the market repricing a debt-funded premium acquisition. There is no fresh upside trigger, and second quarter results land around 3 August. Patience over the next few weeks costs little. Chasing it here adds deal repricing risk. Weigh the downside honestly. If the approximately 102% premium proves value destructive or Crinetics integration disappoints, the market will punish a deal it already dislikes. A Jernavx uptake miss or a pipeline setback would hurt, and the balance sheet cushion that used to absorb such shocks is now committed to the deal. In the bear case, the multiple derates toward $420, roughly 11% below here. This is why the short-term signal is a hold, not a buy. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 32% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 18%, and the bear case, a fall of about 11%. So you are risking about 11 to make 32. So, our call on Vertex Pharmaceuticals, on NASDAQ, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donut Investment at donutchen.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.